simple package. Let's see what's inside it. How many eggs do you think are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 eggs. Ready to open it up? Yep. You open the ones that I want. What's that though? What's it opening? They're opening it up. Look at all these 17 eggs. Now let's see what toys we got. Let's open it.
Are you guys having fun?
Yes. Yes. Active. All done. One more. No, eat it. Don't go yellows. I'll go oranges. Our first toys. I got Marshall. Second. Let's see what's next. I got a camel. Look at apple juice. Mama! Oak! Bam! I got whale. Look, I got 2 dolphins. I got a new toy. You open it. Bye.